The best way to be a respectable member of a society is through your work. Nobody questions a successful man's faith. Once you become a success, nobody questions your faith. Nobody asks again. Can you call me AJ? On a gomo, is he a Muslim? Is he a this one? Nobody asks all those things. Welcome to another Odinani series with Nzetobo Sigwezi Kolomuo. Today I want to discuss how to survive trials and tribulations in Odinana. How to survive trials and tribulations in Odinana. Our people will say what? Some of us have gone through trials as we switch from Christianity to Odinana. So I'm trying to help some of you who are going through trials or who will still go through these trials so that you get prepared. You get prepared. If you want to go pass through this journey. But you have to be careful. No man is an island, so you have to be careful. That's why I'm trying to do this video, because some of us, if we are not careful, we will alienate ourselves from a lot of people, because we are switching from Christianity to Odinana. Because of the kind of trials and tribulations and the mockery that you are getting from people, you might make an erratic decision and log out. Just log off. Completely shut out people, both those that like you and in your quest to trying to so this means if a great man does not know how to endure and react carefully in times of trials, the great man will end up being a lonely being. So many people who are new into Odinana may end up in loneliness because of trials, persecution, and mockery that comes with following a path that is not really in vogue right now. You must accept the reality. If you're an Igbo person and you want to switch from Christianity to Odinana, or if you're in Odinana already, you are like someone swimming against the tide. You must face this reality. So many Igbos who have openly tried to identify who identify as Ndi Ogommuo, Ndi Odinana, risk being seen as a witch, a devil worshipper, or a mentally deranged person. When you see Aderoma, I say, oh, if you don't so you can and you now start asking yourself, you see people that you respect start telling you this kind of things. You see people that you love start telling you this kind of thing. You start questioning yourself. So this can lead to psychological torture for a person, especially when those who you love and care for start being the people openly distancing themselves from you. When this becomes a situation, to cap it off, as in woe betide you, you are not financially able to sustain yourself, then your loneliness and agony will be multiplied. Your loneliness and agony will be multiplied. To avoid degenerating, here are a few guidelines to follow. So here are a few guidelines that will help you to avoid losing it completely. Work out for you not to go crazy, or for you not to even turn back and go back to Christ. Some people today, this is why they are Christians by the day. We have many Christians by the day. Why? They don't want backlash. So to avoid degenerating, here are a few guidelines. But I believe that if you want initially man Odinani, you may see the Bible says no if you want to be an Odinana person, come out openly and do it, because what you are doing is not wrong. So I don't see any reason why someone should be hiding to worship or follow the ways of his ancestors. However, know that you will be mocked. So Here are the guidelines that will help you in these times of trial and tribulation. Makoha Adigide is just a period. Number one, clarity. Clarity, ideological clarity. The reason why you decided to join Odinani should be very clear to you. It should be very, very clear to you. Any ideological decision that lacks an intellectual depth will definitely fizzle out. Any ideological decision that lacks intellectual depth will fizzle out. For me, now either it fizzle out or will be compromised. For me, one of my chief reasons is this, as my chief reason from switching from Christianity to Odinani is this. This is the path my ancestors walked. This is the path my ancestors walked. Any other path is foreign. And that path should be for the foreigners, for those it is for. Let it be their own. Let your own be your own. Let my own be my own. One of my main reasons for being in Odinani is this is my own. This is our own. I always say it repeatedly. This is Nkabunkai. We have our own path. It is safe. I believe it is safe to be in the midst of your own than in the midst of others. It is my duty as a son of my ancestors to maintain, polish, and advance their own path. I believe that as a child of my ancestors, that it is my duty. Because if you ask me where I'm from, I will say I'm from Unnewi. It is now my duty for those people, for those my ancestors who established this place for me that I say I come from. It is now my own duty to maintain and polish and advance their own way of life, their own ideological disposition to life, their own cultural disposition to life. It doesn't mean I should do everything that they do, but that's what polishing means. Know the ones to subtract and know the ones to add without allowing it to lose its essence or core. Now, it is my duty to see it to be at par with any other part out there. I want to, when people say, let's call on God, please, Christians, call on your own God. Muslims, call on your own God. Hindus, call on your own God. They will say, God don't call. For it to be remembered, for it to be in the books. Presently, the Yorubas have done a great job in projecting their religion. Their Ifa and Shango and other deities, Orimila, or in the Yoruba pantheon of gods. It's also our own duty, and I consider it's my own duty to promote and project the ways of my own ancestors, their own gods. You see, altruistic reasons like this is a great safety net. Altruistic reasons like this is a great safety net in times of what? Trials and tribulation. In times of trials and what? During trials and tribulation. Number two, how to survive trials and tribulations in Odinani. Number two, family. You must gently create and find new family of people who share your new ideology. They say no man is an island. As some people are living in your life, old acquaintances, everything are breaking, people are thinking that you are mad. Please try and gently, gradually start forming acquaintances of those who do not see you as mad. No man is an island. Reach out to people who share your new zeal. Create new association. These people will help you in time of material lack, which is inevitable. At times in life, that you are doing Odinani does not mean that you won't experience the other normal problem people are experiencing. At times you will need something, you will need some material assistance, you will need some kind of even mental assistance. You need people that you can lean on. These people should be people who share the same ideological belief than you. So not people that will question you and say, I thought you said that your God is this thing. Where are they now? As if them in their own side, they don't have a period when it's as if their God abandoned them. There is no religion, there is no path you will choose that you won't have that experience. That you feel that you have been abandoned by your gods or by your people, by your ancestors, by the spirits. It will happen. It's a time of trial. So it will be a shame for you to ask material assistance from people who see you as deranged. You will end up making yourself a laughing stock. Build new family and community of people who share your belief. These people will be your support system in time of difficulties. This is the true meaning of church or fellowship. It means forming a community of people that will be your support system in time of difficulty. These new people will share in your joys and in your sorrows. Remember, sorrows and joys are inevitable in life. There are phases in life. Please be careful to build this new family with people who have sound characters. That someone share your new ideology does not automatically make the person a good person. I always say be cautious. That someone is into Odinani does not make the person automatically a good person. Find the people that even in this Odinani, the people that understand Odinani the way you do. So that you won't go and enter if you're married and all there. From acquaintance with people married and all there in the name of that my brother in Odinani or my sister in Odinani. Whichever the way. Number 3, work hard. The best thing that can happen to you in life is being able to always foot your bills. Show people that you are not a fool or a layabout by working twice as hard. Do not wait for the gods to bless you. My dear, double your hustle. Show that you are serious in your field. Differentiate between your faith and your work. When it times for work, face your work and be serious about it. Remember, manna do not fall from heaven. The best way to be a respectable member of a society is through your work. Nobody questions a successful man's faith. Once you become a success, nobody questions your faith. Nobody asks again. Can you work on age? Is he a Muslim? Is he a this one? Nobody asks all those things. Finally, number 4, how to survive and trials and tribulations in Adonai. Number 4, humiliate your enemies with gentle touches. When you can, when opportunity presents itself, show love to those who have distanced themselves from you. In their lowest moment, reach out to them. Show them the love they didn't show you in your own lowest moment. When you do this, you are indirectly helping yourself to heal from the psychological trauma they caused you. Humiliate them with gentle touches. Humiliate your enemy with gentle touches in their lowest moments. Thank you. See you at the top. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen or my email address or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.